So here we are, part 13 of chapter 9, inventory management. Hanging there, guys. We're almost done. Just a few more videos and we're gonna make it. I think that chapter 9 is the hardest part of this kind of last half of the semester. So hanging there, pay attention. Let's get through this. Let's do the problems together. Okay? So there's another system called periodic review system, right? Of course, there's another one. So the difference here is on the Q system, we had a quantity, right? And whenever you get to that quantity, and if I remember correctly, it was 4 rolls of toilet paper, right? So whenever we get to 4 rolls of toilet paper, we're going to put an order, and it's going to take 4 days. We're going to consume 4, and when it gets to 0, we're going to get our 24, and we're always going to order 24. Okay, we're always going to buy 24, and we can use that to manage our inventory. Or you can use a periodic review system. So periodic review system is, instead of having that arrangement of getting to 4, we're going to say every Monday I'm going to go to the grocery store. Okay, so I'm going to go every Monday, and I'm going to buy enough inventory that I have for the whole week until the next Sunday, which I'm going to take a look at the inventory and I'm going to find out how much I need, and then I'm going to go on Monday or Tuesday in the next 2 days, let's say, to buy material. Okay, so basically you're reviewing every Sunday, and then every Sunday we're going to look, okay, how much do I have? How much do I need to actually have inventory for the next week? The difference there is the period of interval is fixed. Okay. On the Q system, the interval was not fixed. It depends on how much my demand was. In this case, no, it's going to be every Monday. On the Q system, could be a Monday, could be 2 days after that I can buy it again, could be 40 days after that I can buy again, or 20 days. It depends on when it gets to 4. In this, a P system is a periodic review system. So think about P, periodic, okay? Is when I'm going to do every interval of time. Let's say every week or every month or every 4 weeks. And the difference is, okay, how much I'm going to buy is going to be different every time. So I'm going to set a target level, say, okay, I need to have, let's say, 14 rolls of toilet paper every Sunday. So that's my target. Whenever I get to a Sunday, I look at my inventory and say, okay, I have 10, I need 14, so I'm going to buy 4. Oh, I have 15, and I need 14, that's okay. Oh, I have 2, I need 14, I need to buy 12. Okay? So the quantity will different every time, but I'm going to go every same interval of time. Okay? So that's what's happening here. So instead of having a reorder point that was going to be around here, I have a target, which will be the maximum amount of inventory here on top. Okay? So that's a target inventory level. The interval of time will be always the same, so that we're going to call it P. So P is the period, which will be the interval of time. L continues to be the lead time, Q continues to be the quantity. The difference, as you can see here, what's happening here is different than this one. So here I'm buying very little, right, from here to here. Here I'm buying a lot, and here I'm buying less again. Why? Because the demand in this period of time was very high. The demand in this period of time wasn't that high. So although it's the same amount of time, let's say 1 week I can use a lot more toilet paper than the other week. So the week that I use more toilet paper, I'm going to place an order that'll be bigger. The week that I didn't use much, I'm going to place an order that's going to be smaller. So the order is going to be placed depending on how much I consumed in the previous week. So another concept here is that the difference is the protection interval is going to be P plus L. So you see here, right? So it's going to be that period, let's say 7 days, right? I'm buying every Sunday, so period 7 days, and takes 4 days as the lead time. So actually looking inventory on Sunday, and I'm actually going to start the process on Sunday. And it's going to take Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday to actually buy the material, right? So 4 days of lead time. So orders placed every P interval, and the quantity will determine the difference between target and the current position of inventory. And in this case, we don't have a reorder point. That's the good news. The bad news is I have a target. So basically, I have to calculate the number, that target maximum number of inventory that I need, so I know how much I have to purchase. Okay.